My name's Dan Bach. I practice primarily in civil litigation, meaning trial work. That's not criminal, but I also do criminal work. I have a background as a prosecutor, and so I still keep my hand in that to a great degree, actually. My father was an attorney for 45 years. I really gained an appreciation for what he did and how he dealt with his clients. He represented a lot of small businesses and a lot of individuals, and I admired what he did, and it seemed like a natural thing that one day I would go to law school as well. I was fortunate to get a job with a federal judge after graduating from law school, Robert Warren, who was a longtime federal district court judge in Milwaukee. He was a tremendous listener, which is something that I learned from watching him, and I learned how important that is, not only for a judge but for an attorney, to be able to listen. Our typical clients in eminent domain cases are individuals who own property. They may be farmers whose land is being taken for a highway project or for a utility easement, or individuals whose homes happen to be, as they say, in the way, which is not a nice way to think of your property, but when a governmental entity needs land or space for a highway project, or if a utility company is expanding or building a new power line, under state law they have the ability to take people's property for those projects. So that's where I come into play, is representing those individuals whose property has been taken involuntarily most of the time, to be sure that they get paid the appropriate value for what they've lost. And I think it's helpful to understand how government works and how people in government work. And I've spent a lot of time both at the federal and state level in government, and it helps to understand, I think, the background of people who are in government and what government does, so that we can better serve our clients.
When you need an attorney, trust the voice of experience, the only choice, Lawton Cates.